Sugar is an immunosuppressant. This means that sugar has the ability to suppress or lower your immunity. When you eat sugar, it suppresses your immune response, making it easy for your body to be invaded by different kinds of microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses. Sugar has been found to be even more immunosuppressive than the drug called prednisolone, which is a well-known immunosuppressive drug. Now take a look at the next video, and then we'll come back to discuss further at the end of the video. Take a look.
Did you know that sugar, when you eat it, a donut, Pop-Tart, piece of bread, doesn't matter, Kool-Aid, Dr. Pepper, did you know that when you swallow sugar, they have known for 70 years that it goes inside your bone marrow and it suppresses within 45 minutes your body's ability to produce white blood cells that fight infections like bacteria, yeast, viruses, funguses, and parasites? Did you know that it literally shuts off your immune system and makes you more susceptible to all viruses, all infections? And did you know that they compared sugar to prednisone? Prednisone is a steroid. And do you know that its job is to suppress your immune system? In fact, it's called an immune system suppressant. Did you know that sugar suppresses your immune system more than prednisone does? So if you're trying to fight an infection, if you're worried about the bird flu in the future, and I find out you're eating donuts and Pop-Tarts and cereal in the morning, you don't care about your health.
Okay, welcome back. I believe you have seen the video. Sugar is an immunosuppressant. This means sugar has the ability to lower your body's immunity when you consume them. Studies have been done and found that sugar is even more immunosuppressive than the well-known immunosuppressive drug called prednisolone. So whenever you eat sugar, it suppresses your body's immune response and makes it easy for you to develop different types of infections. Now it is important to understand that when we talk about sugars, it doesn't refer only to the regular table sugars that we have in our homes. All carbohydrates are sugars, including whether it is rice, pasta, bread. All carbohydrates are sugars because when they are broken down, they turn to sugar. Carbohydrates are simply molecules of sugar that are held together by chemical bonds. So when we eat them, the body eventually breaks it down into simple sugars. So all carbohydrates are sugars. It's important to know that all natural carbohydrates, or almost all natural carbohydrates, comes in two units. This means that almost all natural carbohydrates have the digestible part and the non-digestible part. The digestible part of the carbohydrate is the part of the carb that your body can utilize. Your body has the enzymes to break it down and utilize it and convert it into sugar. This is the starch. Then the second part is the non-digestible carbohydrates, also called fibers. So in a way, the fibers tend to coat the digestible part of the carbohydrates. So in such a way that when you consume the natural carbohydrates, it doesn't cause as much blood sugar spike like the digestible simple carbohydrates. But unfortunately, humans process these natural carbohydrates, thereby removing the fiber contents and leaving you with just the starch. These ones containing only starch without the fibers are the ones that spikes the blood sugar the most, and these are the ones that suppresses the body's immunity the most. But generally, all sugars has the ability to suppress the immune system, but especially the refined sugars. So if you must eat sugar, focus on eating whole food. Whole food contains both the digestible and the non-digestible carbs, which is the fibers. But if you can avoid taking carbohydrate totally, it's even fine because carbohydrates are not essential for you to take in from outside because our body knows how to make its own carbohydrates. So if you don't eat carbohydrates at all, you will be fine. But if you have cravings for carbs, then you can go ahead and eat the complex carbohydrates as whole food with the fiber intact. But even at that, you should eat your carbohydrate in moderation. But if you can avoid it totally, you are even in the right track because carbohydrates are not essential to be taken from outside. The body can make it and make it perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips like this. Thank you.